Good morning and welcome to week 4 of our continuous online learning. We are wrapping up our simulation. So this is the final competition this week. We're bringing everything together, starting with ticket prices, stadium inflow and outflow. Then you're looking at your stadium concession stands, staffing, everything. You're bringing it together, and it is a competition. So you'll be able to see the leaderboard. So everyone who's participating, there's a leaderboard. Invite your friends. So if you know someone in the class that isn't working a ton right now or has some free time, tell them to join in on this competition. They could jump right into the project, and it's kind of fun. So you have a profit target for a whole season. So let's say you get it done in the first season, you meet the target, then you're good to go. Maybe you don't get there. You could do multiple seasons if you need to. But the competition is going to be the profit for a season and should be kind of fun. So that is the final thing that we're doing this week. In addition, on our PowerSchool class page here, you will see that there's a poll. Just kind of out of curiosity, what did you think of the simulation? Did this stuff appeal to you, or did you think, marketing could be kind of a lot of sales? You're selling those advertisements. That was kind of tough. You're selling different sponsorships. Maybe sales isn't for you. Maybe that was really motivating to you and making these decisions was fun for you. So just want to have a little poll out there. So that is on our class page. You can see our schedule for the week, watch the video, the project, and the poll. So that is week 4. And let me know if you have any questions. Have a great week, everybody.